So I'm going to show you guys what you can do with just simple glass jars. So with simple glass jars, you can write on them with a glue gun and glue stick and give them texture and then paint it. It can be perfectly even, or you could just do it by eye, which is what I like to do. This one I made into a jug. So my mom saw it, and this is just glue on it. My mom saw it and said, boy, that looks like a jug. Because that was what I'm going for. I'm going for the look of just by eye, using glue stick, and then painting glass jars. So let me just show you another one. And then this one. And here's one that I did using the netting that you get from the dollar store glass gems. It's netting, and what I did was I put it over the jar and painted on top of it, and it gives you this look. Let me show you inside how it looks. So if you're looking at it, you can see that extra bit of texture, but it's very subtle. So let me show you how to do this. It's a quick and easy craft, and like I said, all you need is a jar. What I did was I put a measuring tape around the jar, and I evenly spaced it because my mom wanted me to try it this way instead of just doing it, by eye. So I'm going to show you exactly what you do. So it's not going to be completely straight, but I'll give you an idea. So I'm just going to make a line. Let me add some more glue to this. I'm just going to make a line and leave the gold part below the gold part unlined. I guess that's the easiest way for me to say it. So let me just get this glue stick. And this is a dollar store glue stick. I love these glue sticks. It's only $1.25. Okay. So let me push this through. And then here we are. I'm going to start at this and press down with the glue and then go straight. And if it's not thick enough, I'll go over it. You guys see that? So I'm going to do that all around. And if you wanted to make a handle to make it look like a jug, let me show you how to do that. I chose to go at the seam. Do you see how the jar has a seam? And all you do is you take your glue stick and make a handle like that. And you just keep layering on top of it. So this is one part of the handle. I'll go on top of it. And I made another part of the handle. Then I'll go on top of it and make another part of the handle. And you see how you're making a handle. So I'm going to do that to the other side also. Okay, so right there, there's a handle. I'm just going to make sure the camera's still on and I wasn't disconnected. Okay, great. Right, so right there, we have the beginnings of a handle. And since I put it too close to this jar, the glue stuck to that jar. Of course, that's what happens. So you see that? What I'm going to do is just pick it off. I wait until it cools a little bit and then I pick it off. So that's that. Like I said when I was doing a different video, I make a lot of mistakes when I craft, but to me that's how I like to craft because I don't like it to be perfect anyway. Mistakes happen. I just peel it off. Okay, so let me go with the lines. And what happens, like for example, I'm trying to make it straight, but it still doesn't get straight. What happens is you get these types of string glue. I don't take it completely off because it would drive me nuts to be able to take it completely off. But there must be an easy way of taking off this string glue. If you guys know an easy way, could you leave a comment? I want to show you, like for example, in this craft, I just painted over it because it gets stringy. So if you guys know like a simple, easy way to either avoid the strings or to take it off, please leave a comment. So you see how that line is a little squiggly? If I wanted to, I could peel it off and try it again. But I don't think anything's perfect. So I'm going to leave it imperfect. Okay, so here is the jar with the glue on it. And I'm just going to make the handles a little bit bigger. So there. So right there is a simple, easy craft. Like I said, sometimes I pull these different strings off, but if I don't, I just paint over it. So let me just show you the jars one more time so you guys get a chance to see some jars you can make.